birthday! Ibang tao. Hello everybody! Welcome to another week in the life. As a co-founder of a self-photo studio here in the Philippines, as a bride-to-be and everything in between. Today, we are going to Pampanga with... Hindi niyo pa rin yata alam. Umuwi kasi dad ni Ash dito sa Philippines. Pero hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog talaga. Hindi ko natutuloy kasi sobrang busy. My gosh. So, ayun. So, today, we're gonna go to Pampanga with Ash's dad and si Ate Red and Ate Red's family. Day trip lang. Because, wala, gusto lang maggala. By the way, I just want to thank my very, very good friend. Actually, I consider her one of my best friends. Si Jam. She gave me this nung nag-overnight ako sa Airbnb nila. So, ayun, we're just gonna go to Pampanga today. And, kakain lang yata kami. And, maglalaro si Riri. The usual, magka-cafe hopping. So, this week, I'm gonna take you guys with me sa aking week full of errands. I think, I don't know. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko na alam yung schedule ko sa isang week. Hopefully, you can see me in my outfit. But, for today, I'm gonna be wearing this top. Actually, hindi ko na nga alam kung saan to nabili. I think makakabili naman ito sa Orange app and sa TikTok shop. And then, this pants na, yes, grabe naman ang slit. And then, this pants that I got from Shein. Actually, I wore this nung nag-Bali kami. And sobrang comfy niya. As in, ang comfy niya. Tapos, hindi siya ganun kainit. Kasi nga, girl, mainitan ka pa ba dito? So, and then for my bag, actually hindi ko alam if bagay ba to, pero kay Ash kasi to. Weird ba? So, this bag is from Uniqlo. Nabili mo to, love, nung nasa no? Japan. And, ang ilalagay ko lang naman dito ay power bank, my camera, what else? My cards. Weird ba? Na nakaganitong bag ako? Para akong maniningil ng utang. For the shoes, baka yung Onitsuka na lang na slip-on ang suotin ko para mas laid back and chill lang yung get up natin today. So yeah, let's go! I'm sorry!
Ayan yung rice. Tapang ni Riri. Riri, fake.
Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna go to SM MOA as a feeling independent person. I'm gonna go to SM MOA to buy some envelopes for studio. Kailangan na namin mag-replenish ng envelopes. And then, I'm not even sure saan nakakabili ng pagpag ng dust sa car. Ayun, maghahanap ako nun. na lang siguro ako mamaya. Let's see. See you later! I'm finally here and nakapag-park. Hindi ko mabuksan yung ilaw ko kasi kitang-kita ako sa labas. But I'm just gonna fix my bag. Kasi ang dami kong nilabas na gamit. And yes, I'm gonna eat first. Tapos, I'm gonna buy na everything that I need to buy. And I'm gonna see you later. Thank you. Ay, sir, hindi ko kasi alam yung pumasok yung order ko kanina. Oh my God, pray for me. Ito yung binibili namin. Parang
Hi guys, I changed my outfit. Kita ako. Wait.
tingnan nyo naman gaano kadilim sa labas. Tchanan! Hindi nyo napansinin yung kalat sa likod. I know, sobrang kalat. Kanina kasi galing kami ng... Saan nga kami galing kanina? Kanina galing kami sa Green Hills and sinamahan lang namin si Tito Shek mamili ng mga essentials niya. But today is February 8 and parang ba i-explain? And it's currently 2:58 a.m. Last night or tonight is actually Tito Shek's last night here in the Philippines. Nasaktan kasi na nagising ako ng kaninang 2 a.m. Tapos medyo nagugutom ako. So, minessage ko si Ash, nandun kasi siya sa dad niya. Na, ang thinking ko pa, baka magti-take out lang kami. Nagulat ako pagdating niya dito, nag-aya mag-Tagaytay. So, we're gonna go to Tagaytay. Let's go.
Yung nakita ko na. Sabi ko, so, ibig sabihin, sobrang...
I look like shit. So, we're finally here in Tagaytay and ito yung nakita naming restaurant, Bulalo Capital. First time namin dito actually. And after this, baka idaan namin si Tito dun sa church ng wedding. For now, let's order muna kasi we're all hungry. Good morning kami. Good morning.
Morning guys. It's 4:30. Kakatulog lang ng alarm.
Gumising ka na raw. Ah? Daw pang masa tapos.
Wala kasi pantal-punta ko naman.
Kasi may tawilis eh. Sa tawilis, ano kailangan
Eto.
yung suka? Nakain namin noodles ngayon.
Noodles ko.
Kasi tinikanggit masyado.
Ano ko?
Ayun, no, kinakain ko na nga lahat. Konting ito tapos lulo.
Happy birthday! Today is February 10 and it's this guy's birthday. May kasalanan ako sa kanya. Sobrang busy ko, hindi ako nakapag-prepare para sa birthday niya. Kaya, it's currently 4:22 p.m. and ngayon pa lang magsa-start yung araw namin. Magle-late lunch kami sa Kodawari.
Early dinner na.
Early dinner na pala. Hindi kami nakapag-lunch. Pero, ayun. Meron kaming bibilhin sa Yardstick. Pero not sure pa if they have a stock. Pero check namin after we eat sa Kodawari. And then we're gonna have dinner. So yeah, today, let's celebrate this man's birthday. First order of business, we're gonna eat here sa Kodawari. I love. Hindi ko na mabivideo ng aesthetic, but I'm having their ebi tempura na set. I have here miso soup. I think this is the sauce. Tapos meron pa akong dessert here, di ba? And then rice. And then for Ash, he got, ano tala? Sushi.
Shirashi doon.
Ibig sabihin, sushi in a box. Sushi. Sushi in a bowl.
Sushi on top of rice.
On top, pero
Para sa
may
sushi.
rice yan sa ilalim. Then assorted sushi, assorted raw something. Tapos meron din siya miso soup.
Ang dami nun sa kanya, guys.
Yeah, super dami.
Chamushi, miso, sa
Ay, meron pa pala akong veggies. Tapos yung tempura 4 pieces, tama? Happy birthday! Good morning, everybody. Ang gulo pa yata ng hair ko. Today is February 12 and today naman is the birthday of my tatay. Yes, halos magkasunod sila ni Ash. Meron akong cousin na close din namin, si Yuan. Kahapon naman yung birthday niya. Nakakatawa magkakasunod sila ng birthday. And I think I wasn't able to vlog this, but last weekend, nitong weekend lang, nag-celebrate kami sa resort. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi I just wanted to enjoy lang the moment with my family. Ayoko nang masyadong ma-pressure sa pag-vlog. As I was saying, today is our tatay's birthday naman. I need to process everything first for the studio para tuloy-tuloy na. And for our outfit for today, for this morning, so I'm gonna wear this leather jacket. Sa napakainit na weather ng Philippines, yes. Kasi tinatamad akong mag-isip ng susuotin. So, this is what I'm gonna wear. This leather jacket. Leather, talaga. This leather jacket and then this white sando and my favorite skirt. My favorite skirt. And I'm gonna be wearing the New Balance shoes. Kaso nga lang nasa car na. So yeah, this is our outfit for today. Let's go ahead and punta na tayo sa Caloocan.
Hindi, parang Thanksgiving na daw. Lahat daw closing siya. Pag opening siya, kapasok niya alas 6 ng umaga, uwi na alas 4.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Gutom na.
Kitang-kita sa vlog.
Ay, sorry.
Focus the camera. Sing na lang daw, sabi ni Mami.
Oh? aesthetic yung lighting ko dito. We also ordered shabu-shabu. And then, merong sauce.
So these are your fries.
Masarap siya kahit walang sauce. Tikman natin ang may sauce.
Kain ka rin ng beef. Meron pa dalawang beef dito.
Masarap ng may sauce. Ganun ba?
About more.
Sauce daw ng shabu-shabu. Now, with noodles. Masarap naman noodles.